It's all around us. The air we breathe, it seems fairly fresh to us, but is that really the case? Is the air we breathe really full of nutrients that are good for us? Well, sure, but there are also harmful chemicals and gases that we inhale and take into our bodies too. One major gas that we're all aware of is carbon dioxide. As students from Sir Winston Churchill, we propose to improve the air quality in the Niagara region. One major polluter in our area is Dofasco, one of the leading steel-producing companies in North America. Dofasco produces around 2% of our CO2 emissions in Canada. It is the ninth most carbon dioxide emitting company in Canada, producing more than 5,019 million kilograms of CO2 emission in 2010. It is only a stone's throw away from our lake. Dofasco is producing steel along with many other harmful chemicals and toxins that are released into the atmosphere. When you drive past Dofasco, two factors stand out. The first is the big white cloud emitted from its smokestacks that takes forever to dissipate, and the second is the awful stench surrounding the area. We know that shutting down Dofasco is unrealistic at this present time, as we use steel for many things in our everyday lives. That said, we don't intend to sit on the sidelines and wait for chemicals and toxins to destroy our planets. Carbon dioxide emissions are a problem faced around the world, in almost every country. Practically everything we make, paper, steel, nail polish, hairspray, etc., 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 has a negative byproduct. Through uses of alternative energy such as wind, solar, and biomass sources, as well as other pollution-limiting devices such as scrubbers and filters for smokestacks, many countries are on the road to reducing CO2 emissions from factories. As grade 10 and 11 students, we propose to expand the quantity of carbon dioxide reducers, otherwise known as trees, in our city and region. Over a 10-year period, we intend to plant 50,000 trees throughout the Niagara region. We intend to involve the Niagara College horticulturalists, as well as our local and national nurseries, such as Moray Gardens. We will also seek the support of our municipal, provincial, and federal governments. Additionally, we will be inviting elementary and/or high school schools to be involved in this project, for example, a school's eco club. Other means to solicit support include the initiation of a donated tree program. This program will entice families, companies, or individuals to sponsor the planting of a tree that will be planted along wine routes and other visible roads and pathways. Each tree planted can make a difference. One tree can absorb 7.5 to 13 kilograms of carbon dioxide in 1 year. That's approximately 0.02 kilograms to 0.036 kilograms in 1 day. That may not seem like much, but if you were to multiply that by 50,000 trees, it would mean approximately 1,000 kilograms of CO2 would be absorbed from the atmosphere in just 1 day. That's about 365,000 kilograms over 1 year. If we were to achieve our goal of planting 50,000 trees in Niagara over 10 years, approximately 3,650,000 kilograms of carbon dioxide would be absorbed. The initial goal will be to plant 5,000 trees each year. The trees used in this project will be species commonly grown in our region that are versatile and maintenance-free, such as white birch, sweet gum, and many others. These trees range between $70 and $100, therefore making this project worth about $4 million. At the 4-year checkpoint of our project, Niagara will host the 2017 International Horticultural Show. This event will serve as an opportunity to gather additional support in an effort to surpass our goals. By planting these trees, we will be able to reduce the effects of the Dofasco Steel Company. If Dofasco continues to produce the same amount of carbon dioxide each year, these trees will eliminate a portion of Dofasco's CO2 emissions. Not only will this project be good for our environment, but it will also add curb appeal to our city. After all, we are called the Garden City. We know that it will be extremely difficult to keep up with the overpowering carbon dioxide emission released into the air each year, not only by Dofasco, but by other companies as well. We have taken the knowledge and resources we have to form a solution. That's only the beginning of a long haul to a cleaner atmosphere, and it all begins with something very simple: trees.